Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Forbes EasyClean. First, prepare your cleaning area by removing any large objects or loose dirt. Next, inspect your Forbes EasyClean machine for any visible damage or clogs to ensure safe operation. Make sure the clean water tank is empty and ready for the cleaning solution. Finally, have any specific attachments, such as the upholstery tool, readily available for your cleaning task. Now, let's prepare your cleaning solution. Always use genuine Forbes EasyClean solution to protect your machine and achieve the best results. Fill the clean water tank with warm tap water, ensuring you do not exceed the maximum fill line. Then, carefully add the specified amount of Forbes cleaning concentrate, typically 1 capful for every 2 liters of water. Finally, securely fasten the tank lid to prevent any leaks while operating the cleaner. With your solution ready, it's time to clean. Power on the Forbes EasyClean and let it warm up for about 30 seconds. Begin by making slow, overlapping passes over the area you wish to clean. Press the solution trigger only on your forward passes to apply the cleaning mixture evenly. Release the trigger on your backward passes to effectively extract the dirty water, ensuring a thorough clean. Once you've finished cleaning, proper post-care is essential. Immediately empty the dirty water tank to prevent odor and bacterial growth. Rinse both the dirty water tank and the brush head thoroughly with clean, fresh water. Allow all removable components to air dry completely for several hours before reassembling them. Finally, store your Forbes EasyClean in a dry, cool location, ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.